Hey guys, Joe here. I just want to let you know before we get into the video that we had this awesome start all recorded about the C8 Corvette, but when we were uploading all the footage, the SD card we were using was corrupted and we could not retrieve the footage. So we're having to start the video a little later on in the progress of all the work we did on it. So we're super sorry about that. It was not pleasant at all, slightly frustrating to say the least. But you live and learn. So come and check it out and I hope you enjoy this. We've got the C8 in the tinting bay in our clean room, and we're going to be tinting only 3 windows on this car. So we're going to be tinting the front 2 windows and also the little windscreen behind the 2 seats there. So what we're going to be doing is installing our ceramic film, our Nano Phantom Series 5, the S5 series. So what this means is it's a ceramic film that blocks out 53% of infrared. It also blocks out 99.99% of UV. And also has a TSER rating, the total solar energy reduction rating, of around about that 55%, which is really, really good. So it's going to really help protect the interior, protect the driver's skin, but also last a long time. Looks really nice, nice and dark, nice and black. It's a bronzy black. It's not really a blue color or green, which will really complement the car. So we're going to install that, and then we're going to get ready to start doing everything else on the car. So it's going to really enhance the car really, really nicely, which I can't wait. Let's roll. What's up guys, it is the next day. We've got the Corvette in the wash bay. It's time to get it ready so that we can get it in the coating bay for coating. So let's show you what we're up to. So we're just snow foaming the car so that we can actually start doing the clay bar process. So what the snow foam does is it really lubricates the surface for us. So when we're claying it, we're not really rubbing into the paint and causing swirls and scratches. So this is a normal process we do in every car we get that we're doing a machine polish on. But we just want to be extra precautious on this awesome C8. So it's not too bad. It's actually really, really slick, this paint. It's like it's been waxed a few times or something, maybe at the dealership. So I don't think it's very contaminated, but we still want to do it before we do any machine polishment on this car. So we're just rinsing it down now. Going to put it straight into the coating bay so we can get the wheels off. And I'll fill you in a little bit more later on. But just so you know, Jordan, our normal photographer and videographer, he's actually sick. He fell sick yesterday afternoon. So now I'm carrying the burden here of filming. So don't judge me for all the bad shots. I haven't filmed in a very long time, like well over a year. So put up with it and wish Jordan all the best. So let's get the C8 all done and let's get it ready to be machine polished. Tell you what, you got to be a flaming ninja when you're using this camera. The guys just want to hit you with the hose every time. How do you do this, Jordan?
Excellence and professionalism.
So we've got the C8 on the Sizzler hoist. Now we're going to take off the wheels. So the owner of this car actually wants to get the wheels painted satin black. So we're going to be running them down to the wheel painters. They're going to strip the tires, paint everything, just like what we did to our Tesla. So it's going to change the way this car really looks. So once we get the wheels off, damn that's loud. Once we get the wheels off, we're gonna be cleaning up in all in the wheel arches, everything like that, so we can coat all up in those areas too. And then when we get the wheels back, we'll wait a few days and then we'll coat those wheels for him as well. So having it on the hoist is gonna make it so much easier to install paint protection film as well and do all the paint correction and coating as well. So we'll show you how it all pans out soon. So Kyle's going to keep on working on the C8. I'm going to take the wheels down to the tyre shop and then they'll go straight to the wheel painters. So time to throw them in the Tesla carefully and head down there right now. It is paint protection film time, so we're installing our 10-year warranted paint protection film on the Corvette. So this film, we are installing a track pack. So that is the whole front end of the car, headlights, bumpers, guards, bonnet. We're doing the side skirts down the side of the vehicle, and also we're doing the pillars and the leading edge above the windscreen. So the paint protection film is the best way to protect the car from getting chips in the paint. It's a clear film that goes on these surfaces. We wrap it around where possible. It looks amazing, it's super glossy, and it's crazy hydrophobic. And the best of all, it just stops stone chips and scratches in the paint. Most of the time. If someone crashes into you or possibly keys your car, it could still go through the film. Let's not find out. But look, it is going to really preserve the car. The install is going to take a day or two, and if not longer. Let's check it out to see how it works. Alright guys, so the wheels are back and they look absolutely insane. We're going to be putting on our wheel coating on the rims, inside and out. We're also going to be doing the calipers, up inside all the plastics and whatnot in the wheel arches to really protect it and preserve it. So that's going to make a massive difference. And then we're going to be putting the wheels back on and then coating the whole vehicle, all the painted surfaces, glass, plastics, everything you name it, with the Atri Nano Graphene coating, which is going to be awesome. Man, this is heavy to hold this camera. And so that's going to make a massive difference. And then obviously we're going to check the car out outside and see how she looks. So can't wait, let's do it. It is done. The car is officially done. As far as we know, we just got to take it outside to check it out. But fair few days work involved here, doing the paint protection film, the coating, tinting, getting the wheels all painted and sorted out. So really keen to see what it looks like outside. But let's check out and see what it looks like in our coating bay. Well, that was actually chaotic. So we literally just took the car out for not even 10 seconds. And then all of a sudden this massive gust of wind comes. All these leaves are just blowing everywhere. It's like a mini tornado. And the car just gets covered in dirt and dust. So we literally just scrambled, brought the car back to the coating bay, and then just gave it a light wipe down. So we didn't get any photos of it outside. So it's gonna stay right here. So when the owner comes, he can check it out in here, and he's just gonna have to fang it all the way home, which you probably won't have a problem with. But you know, it's just sometimes when you have a freshly coated car, that even if it's the next day or what have you, we find dust is prone to sticking to the surface. After the first wash, it's totally different. So, and being black, oh, everything just shows. So we had to really carefully wipe it down, check over it, and make sure it was perfect before he comes in and gets it. So that is it. The C8 is all done. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this, please check it out, other videos, and let us know what you think. If there's anything we can improve on, apart from my bad filming, please let us know. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. We'll see you soon.